Jeep random misfiring Grand Cherokee. I'm having a Jeep Grand Cherokee V8 6.0-liter Hemi engine. Hemi refers to an engine that has Jeep Cherokee hemispherical shape. Engine misfiring. Show me that. Where is now?
No.
Now nothing?
Nothing.
Combustion chambers engine and piston with rounded instead of flat tops. Less engine power and misfiring. In parameters data shown engine misfiring, but it doesn't have a specific engine cylinder misfiring. Not orderly and accurate cylinder misfiring. I decided to pull out intake manifold and have a proper inspection of fuel injectors, BBTI solenoid, and compression test. Fortunately, all of the tests are passed. Upon inspection, I was found out a foreign object into the BBDI solenoid, filtered and oiled silver metallic. This is a solenoid having an oiled silver metallic debris. BBTI solenoid has been replaced too, but unfortunately is still unsolved engine misfiring. Fix the manifold, huh? Here, look at the solenoid after the removal. Then my second decision is to pull down the engine in order to explore the oiled silver metallic. How? Where? This is a Jeep Grand Cherokee. It has a 6.4-liter Hemi engine, hemispherical combustion chamber. And what is the cause? Due to unable to predict the engine misfiring. Engine misfiring. Sometimes, not all the times. This is what I was found out upon dismantling of the engine. Ruined camshaft lobe and hydraulic valve lifter. Such problem was difficult to diagnose. Only the oiled silver metallic gave a sign and idea on me to pull out the engine. The aftermath after the replacement of the said defective parts. Monitor the parameters data and misfire counter, all are in zero value. Engine misfiring is no longer now, and a smooth running at engine idle. Another amazing solved engine fault.
Up to 8 cylinder only. Accelerate. Whoa! Number 1.
Huh?